So yeah, this is where it leaked out in the middle of this valley pan gasket, but this thing is a fucking nightmare. I mean, I've done this once before on my other 5 series, so I know what I'm doing, but dude, there's so many connectors and things that I had to take apart. Got all these bolts up there, got more bolts over there. Basically had to take off the fuel rail, the injectors, all this plastic stuff. I had to get this whole steel manifold out, the throttle body. Look at this, bro. All of these parts I had to get out just to get to this. This is what leaks on this N62 engine. This is called a valley pan gasket, and you can see, I don't have any light, but you can see down there it's all wet. So this was all dripping out all over. It drips from the front in the back of the block. I don't want to get too cocky, but it's back together, fired right up, sounds great. Got the new part installed. Healthy N62.